Okay, we are on Mount Work, and we are going to do a shorter little trail, the Black Diamond Trail, called Willis Point Connector. And basically it just goes from the service road down to Willis Point Road. And it's a good little trail. I haven't ridden it in a while. I don't think it gets ridden much anymore. There's a new trail that runs parallel to the service road now called Northwest Passage, so most people take that. And this trail actually intersects into that in a second. So, but this trail doesn't really get much love, so we're gonna give it a go. Now we are on a little bit of Northwest Passage before we hit the descent for Willis Point Connector. And for the descent portion, there's actually a sign for it. And again, it just pops out on Willis Point Road for those people that are parking on Willis Point Road near 7 or something like that. They could take this after bubble wrap if they chose. Downhill portion, and then we pop out on the Willis Point Road, and that is it. That's Willis Point Connector.